Good morning, student. Now we continue our lecture. Our new topic is three dimension, chapter 12. अभी तक हमने बेटा टू डायमेंशन स्ट्रक्चर किया था. That is in a Cartesian plane. If there is some point such that 2, 3, the first notation is for this is our x-axis, this is x dash, and it's be y-axis, and it's be y dash. The first notation is for x and the second notation is for y. Now we are study about the three dimension. There are third axis also, that is this. If there is a perpendicular plane on that, you get a three dimension structure here, in which there are 3 points representation, that is x, y and z. In this, when we check it out, there are 4 planes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But in three dimension we have 8 plane. Okay, 8 plane. 4 is above and 4 is below. When there is an axis like this and two axes are this, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 below, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 octant. अब देखो बेटा, यदि इस एक्सिस पर कोई पॉइंट होता है तो किस फॉर्म में होता है? यू से सर a0, and on this axis you say sir 0b. Similarly, if in three dimension on this axis the point will be a0, 0. In that g minus a, 0 and 0. On this 0 minus b, 0. In three dimensions there are 3 terms. Okay beta. Now next, in three dimensions, if there is a point in xy plane, what is the coordinate of that? You say sir a, b and 0. If the coordinate is in yz plane, then what is about the coordinate? You say sir 0 a b, या b or c. Simple, just. Okay, how would be 8 octant you identify? Sir, simply it's be our x axis, y axis and z axis. There are our 3 axes. We have this and that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now when there are 4 planes, in this the point is of the form of positive and positive. Both axes are positive, x axis and y axis, because point is 2, 3. 2, 3 where they lie? In first quadrant. Minus 2, 3 where is lie? In second quadrant. The point is of the form of negative, positive. Minus 2, minus 3 in third quadrant, the point is in the form of negative, negative. And in the fourth quadrant, point is in the form of positive and negative, that is 2 or minus 3. Same here. If we have 8 octants, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. If there are 8 octant, in first both are positive, in second x axis is negative and y axis is positive. In third, both are negative. In fourth, x axis is positive, y axis is negative. Okay, same repeat. Fifth, fourth, positive positive, negative positive, negative negative, and positive negative. In for z axis, first four are positive and next four are negative. Simple. Now first question is, a point is on x axis, what is its y coordinate and z coordinate? बेटा यदि कोई पॉइंट x एक्सिस पर है तो उसके y एंड z कोऑर्डिनेट आर यू से सर 0 0. Shit. Okay, sorry guys, I think I forgot the recording, but now recording we continue. A point is in xz plane, what can you say about its y coordinate? बेटा यदि कोई पॉइंट xz प्लेन में है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा सर 0. नेम द ऑक्टेंट इन विच द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट लाई. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 मीन्स ऑल पॉजिटिव 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 पॉजिटिव. So you say the point is in first quadrant. Positive negative positive, positive negative positive, the point is in fourth quadrant, fourth octant. Negative positive negative, we have negative positive negative, so point is in sixth quadrant. Do the question in that manner. Filling the blanks. The x axis and y axis taken together determine a plane known as xy plane. If we have a point x axis and y axis, then the determine an xy plane. The coordinate of the point in xy plane are of the form of a, b and 0. A, b and 0. Coordinate planes divide the space into 8 octants. Coordinate plane divides this into 8 octants. But it's by our 12.1 is completed. Okay, 12.2 to be continue on tomorrow. Bye beta, take care, enjoy.